Makiria gicunji kia 50 kia Kenya kiria Atumia mendekithia ni maheanetwo hari kumahura njeki kia wonjoria undu ungitigirira ni merutira mawira na meyonera umithio na macungiriria gukura kwa Utonga wa bururi. Akiaria hindi ya kigomano kia AGPO gigikuruhania atumia aikero ciothe, minista wa kigina ni ataririe uria kunyita mbaru atumia kugigacirithia Utonga wa bururi.
Raising women participation, and as I've said, the participation currently is about 55%. Or we will reduce gender inequality that we currently have by 10%. That alone will raise our GDP growth by 2 percentage points.
Ningĩ atumia ni mahoetwo kuhuthira mubango uyu wa AGPO uria warugoririo mwaka-ini wa 2013 ugitanya gutigirira atumia mbeũ njithi na andu aria mari na mawathe ni megwatira gicunji kia 30 harĩ igana gia kandarathi cia thirikari.
Increase in women participation is always associated with more equal society in terms of income.
Where you're into the system and you're able to be recognized. So I would urge the women to take up the opportunity to register themselves and for them to be able to be helped. Ona nigetha makimenye kiria uria kurenderea kibiashara.
Mwena-ini wake murugamiriri wa kigina kia mbeũ njithi Ronald Asumba ni ugite kuma mubango uyu wambiririo ciringi bilioni 32 nicio ikinyiria atumia muigana uria guthie na mbere na kuongerereka o uria matuku maregera.
The question should be, how do we empower women by 25%, and what does that even mean? How do we improve the minimum pay so that women who are paid less in the workplace can come to par with the men?
Korwo atumia no maheo kigina kiiganu, Utonga wa bururi uragerwo ati no ukure na gicunji kia mugwanja harĩ igana. Thengia ya atumia gukorwo matiganĩirio miaka ya hau kabere kiwonjoria, riu thirikari ni yumĩrĩtie na kũmoria mĩoyo mĩkĩrĩ iraheanwo na nigetha mahote guthie na mbere na gutwarithia miturire yao. Handũ-inĩ ya Kameme TV, rĩtwa rĩakwa nĩ Bataru wa Mwangi.